Welcome back to TECHATOP, the DJ speakers that fit your budget in 2026. You are in the right place. In this video, we will showcase the best budget DJ speakers that combine powerful bass, clear sound, and reliable performance without costing a fortune. Perfect for parties, events, and home setups. These speakers deliver amazing value. Watch till the end and check the links in the description. Number 5. The ALTO TS408 2000 watts powered PA speaker is a versatile and modern audio solution created for DJs, musicians, and event professionals who require powerful performance in a compact speaker system. Featuring an 8-inch low-frequency driver paired with a 1.4-inch high-frequency compression driver, this speaker delivers clear vocals, balanced mids, and energetic bass that works well for music playback and live sound applications. With an impressive 2,000-watt peak power output, the TS408 produces strong, room-filling sound, suitable for parties, small concerts, ceremonies, and presentations. The speaker maintains clarity even at higher volumes, making it reliable for demanding environments. Its precision-engineered design helps ensure consistent audio performance while remaining lightweight enough for easy transport and setup. A built-in 3-channel mixer enhances flexibility by allowing direct connection of microphones, instruments, and external audio devices. Dual XLR and 1/4-inch combo inputs with independent level controls simplify operation and reduce the need for additional mixing equipment. This plug-and-play design is especially useful for mobile setups and quick event preparation. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Users can also link 2 TS4 speakers wirelessly for true stereo sound, creating a wider and more immersive listening experience without extra cables. The dedicated Alto mobile application provides remote control over volume levels, speaker modes, and custom equalization settings, helping users fine-tune audio for different environments. Overall, the Alto TS408 stands out as a powerful, user-friendly PA speaker that combines portability, smart technology, and dependable sound performance for modern audio professionals. Number 4. The Rockville RPG122K 12-inch portable PA system is a practical and powerful audio solution designed for DJs, event hosts, and performers who need a reliable sound system that is easy to set up and transport. This package includes 2 powered speakers, a wired microphone, and sturdy tripod stands, offering a complete setup suitable for parties, karaoke nights, presentations, and small live events. Each speaker features a durable, high-impact ABS enclosure that protects internal components while keeping the system lightweight. Built-in carrying handles make transportation convenient, which is especially useful for mobile DJs and traveling performers. The included heavy-duty steel tripod stands support proper speaker positioning, improving sound coverage and audience listening experience. Bluetooth connectivity allows wireless music streaming from smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players with a range of over 100 feet. The true wireless stereo feature enables users to link 2 RPG122K systems together, creating synchronized audio across 4 speakers without complicated wiring. This makes the system adaptable for larger gatherings or outdoor events. The speaker system also offers multiple playback options, including USB drives, SD cards, and a built-in FM radio. RCA and XLR inputs provide additional flexibility for connecting microphones, mixers, or other audio equipment, while the XLR output allows system expansion when more sound coverage is required. An integrated mixer with bass and treble controls and preset equalizer modes allows users to adjust sound according to different environments. Combined with a rugged metal microphone that delivers clear vocal reproduction, the Rockville RPG122K provides dependable performance, versatile connectivity, and excellent value for budget-conscious audio users. Number 3. The Mackie Thump Go 8-inch portable Bluetooth battery-powered loudspeaker bundle is a versatile and compact sound system designed for performers, mobile DJs, and event organizers who need professional audio on the go. Featuring a high-output 8-inch woofer, paired with a 1-inch compression driver, and powered by an ultra-efficient Class D amplifier, this speaker delivers clear highs, rich mids, and powerful bass, suitable for a wide range of events. From live music performances to presentations and parties, portability is a major advantage of the Thump Go. It includes a removable lithium-ion battery with a tricolor indicator to easily monitor remaining power. This allows users to operate the speaker for extended periods without relying on external power sources, making it ideal for outdoor events, street performances, or temporary setups. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity for seamless wireless streaming from smartphones and tablets. Users can also utilize the Thump Go mobile app to control sound settings and adjust the digital mixer remotely. The built-in 2-channel digital mixer provides XLR and line inputs, offering flexibility for microphones, instruments, and other audio sources. The XLR mix output allows users to link multiple speakers for larger coverage, while the music ducking feature automatically lowers background audio when someone is speaking, ensuring vocal clarity. Included in the bundle are a sturdy steel speaker stand and an XLR to XLR cable, providing everything needed for immediate setup. Overall, the Mackie Thump Go delivers excellent sound quality, portability, and modern wireless functionality, making it a reliable choice for users seeking convenience and professional performance in a compact package. Number 2. The JBL Professional Eon 715 powered PA speaker is a premium portable loudspeaker designed for musicians, DJs, presenters, and event organizers who demand professional sound quality in a versatile and user-friendly package. Featuring a 15-inch woofer, a high-efficiency compression driver, and an advanced waveguide, the speaker delivers consistent, clear audio with balanced lows, mids, and highs, ensuring optimal coverage across any venue. The 300-watt Class D amplifier provides powerful and distortion-free sound, making it suitable for small to medium-sized events and live performances. This speaker offers a wide range of connectivity options. Bluetooth 15 allows wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or other devices, while 4 XLR and 1/4-inch combo jacks, along with an XLR mail-through jack, support wired connections for microphones, instruments, and additional audio equipment. The integrated JBL Pro Connect app enables full control of settings remotely, including equalization, limiters, delay, ducking, and automatic feedback suppression. The backlit color LCD screen also allows convenient on-device adjustments for instant fine-tuning. The Eon 715 is part of the lightweight and portable Eon 700 series, making it ideal for mobile performances and touring musicians. Built-in pole mounts, stackable design, and optional universal yoke mounts allow flexible installation as a main PA, floor monitor, or stage monitor. Users can also expand bass response by pairing it with the optional Eon 718S subwoofer. Combining advanced digital signal processing, reliable amplification, and flexible mounting options, the JBL Eon 715 delivers professional-grade sound, exceptional control, and portability for any audio application. Number 1. The Bose S1 Pro Plus all-in-one PA speaker is a compact, powerful, and highly adaptable audio system designed for musicians, performers, and event organizers who need professional quality sound on the move. Weighing just 14.4 pounds, this portable PA system features an ergonomic carry handle that makes transportation effortless, allowing users to move it from one venue to another with ease. Despite its lightweight design, the S1 Pro Plus delivers rich, clear sound that is suitable for small to medium-sized gatherings, performances, or presentations. This versatile speaker offers 4 positioning options to suit any environment. It can be placed vertically, tilted back, horizontally, or mounted on a standard 35mm speaker stand. The built-in Alto EQ automatically optimizes the sound for each position, ensuring consistent audio quality regardless of placement. The integrated 3-channel mixer adds convenience, with 2 channels available for microphones and instruments and 1 for music playback. Users can also pair optional wireless RF transmitters, eliminating the need for extensive cabling while keeping the setup clean and efficient. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 11 hours of playtime, allowing extended performances or events without access to power. The Bose mobile app offers complete control over settings, including volume, equalization, reverb, and access to the tone match library of EQ presets, providing professional audio customization at your fingertips. With its combination of portability, flexible positioning, long battery life, and professional sound quality, the Bose S1 Pro Plus all-in-one PA speaker is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile wireless PA system for live performances, teaching, or public speaking. Thank you for watching our guide to the best budget DJ speakers for 2026. We hope this video made your search easier and helped you discover speakers that deliver powerful sound without breaking your budget. Let us know which speaker you like the most in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.